Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is ConvertKit video not exporting 2026. There can be several common reasons. Large file size or long duration. Very big or lengthy videos may fail or take too long to process. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app, bugs, or corrupted cache can interrupt the export. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable connection can cause export to fail. Server or processing delays. Temporary backend issues or high traffic can delay or stop exporting. Unsupported format or settings. Incorrect video format, codec, or export configuration can lead to errors. Low device resources. Insufficient RAM, storage, or CPU can prevent successful export. Session or permission issues. Expired login sessions or restricted access can interrupt the process. If the issue continues, try reducing file size, refreshing the page, clearing cache, updating your browser, app, and then export again, or contact ConvertKit support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.